In this video, I'll show you how to add a header on the first page only in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. Normally, when you add a header in Word, it appears on every page, but sometimes you just want it to appear on the first page. So how do I do this? First, we need to double select the header on our first page. Then from here, we need to go to where it says Options underneath header and footer. Then we select Different First Page. Select it once. Then we navigate to the header, and you can type in the header of your choice. I'm simply just going to write in header, make it a little bit bigger, make it bold, put it in the middle and put a border underneath. Then go to header and footer and click Close Header and Footer. Now there is a header on page 1, but not on page 2. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn other tricks and tips for Microsoft Word, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.